Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save a file and send it through email. Compressing a zip file folder makes files smaller and easier to attach and share. We will guide you step by step on how to quickly create a zip file and send it to anyone by email. Let's get started. On your computer desktop, we will go to the files we want to zip. For example, here we have wallpapers that we want to zip. All we have to do is select all the files we want to zip and then right-click on them. Next, we can see the option to compress. Once the pop-up window appears, we just have to click on Zip File. It will automatically create a zip file, as you can see. Now, we just need to rename it. When we open it, all our files are inside. To send it via email, we just have to open the email and compose a new message. Then, we need to go to the attachment option. Browse your files and find where you saved the zip file. Here, we have saved it in this location. As you can see, the zip file is ready to send. We just need to attach it. Once selected, you can see it is now attaching the files. Now, we can add the recipient. We will enter the email address and set the subject as Sample Zip. Once we click Send, the system will process, and there you go. The message is sent. That's it. We have successfully created and sent a zip file via email. Now, we can easily share multiple files in one compact folder.